So this is my first time eating warheads, and this is the packet it came in. And for some reason, my cousin tried it yesterday, and the first cousin was just like, she didn't taste anything. Now it's my turn.
So take it out. Don't take it out. After all, it gets sweet.
But keep it moving.
Has it gone away? Okay, so what do you think of your first time trying a warhead?
Kind of sour. That's why it says extreme sour. It's going to sweet right now.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, you like it?
Mm.
Yeah?
My cheeks are just like hurting and stuff because of that. Oh my god. But I'll catch you guys next time. Goodbye.